and the world at large. In the last week, we have unfortunately witnessed an increased number of imported cases among individuals crossing into the country through our borders. And these new areas have become a matter of grave concern to us. Among the positive cases that have been registered in the country this last week, a total of 43 cases have recently crossed the border from neighboring Somalia and Tanzania. As of yesterday, the cases that have crossed the border were distributed as follows. Wajir had 14 cross-border cases. Izebania had 10 cross-border cases. Namanga had 16 cross-border cases. Lunga Lunga had 2, and Loitoktok 1. These 43 cases represent almost a quarter of the 166 confirmed infections during this last week. Further to this, 78 truck drivers who are foreign nationals tested positive for COVID-19. They were denied entry into our territory at different border crossings. If we had not undertaken that intervention, the imported cases through our borders would today have accounted for more than 50%